Delicious chocolate chip cookies recipe. Hello, sweet-toothed students. Today, we will learn how to bake delicious chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are a favorite treat for many and are quite simple to make. Let's start baking. Ingredients: 1 cup of flour, ½ cup of sugar, ½ cup of brown sugar, ½ cup of butter, softened, 1 egg, 1 cup of chocolate chips, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. 2. In a bowl, mix the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar until smooth. 3. Add the egg to the mixture and mix well. 4. In another bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. 5. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing well. 6. Fold in the chocolate chips. 7. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto a baking sheet. 8. Bake in the preheated oven for about 10 minutes or until golden brown. 9. Allow the cookies to cool on a wire rack. 10. Enjoy your delicious chocolate chip cookies.